I'm Amber from TestGorilla. How well do your candidates know DevOps? It's a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations so that agile teams can work together more effectively. This leads to better scaling, shorter dev times, and increased quality and speed of iterations. So when you're hiring for software development roles, this is one skill set you'll want to test for. Thankfully, using TestGorilla's DevOps test, you'll be able to easily find out which candidates know DevOps inside and out. Finding this test in our test library and adding it to your assessment is easy. Just hit that add button and you'll be all set. But first, let's jump into a quick overview of this test to see how it works. This test assesses a candidate's understanding of DevOps practices and principles and their ability to apply them for your organization. More specifically, it evaluates things like a candidate's ability to administer and troubleshoot Linux operating systems, understand and apply core programming concepts, and improve an IT infrastructure using infrastructure as code and cloud computing principles. Candidates who perform well on this test will be able to easily integrate into a DevOps culture or set one up for your company. They'll be able to use core DevOps practices to speed up releases from your dev team and decrease failure rates. This test is perfect when hiring for DevOps engineers specifically, but it's also great to use for any other role that requires a good grasp of DevOps, such as developers or system admins. So, you might be wondering how exactly we test for all these skills. Well, let's take a look at a few sample questions and find out. This first sample question is a straightforward multiple choice. It simply asks which Linux utility can be used to troubleshoot DNS problems. How deep is your DevOps knowledge? And how good are your troubleshooting skills? Even if it's not your forte, take a moment right now and give this first question a try yourself. If nothing else, it'll give you a better idea of what your candidates will face on the actual test. All right, time's up. Let's check out the answer. The next sample question asks which of the following are common continuous integration steps. Candidates have to select all that apply. The third question is another multiple choice that asks which of these cloud concepts is best for enhancing the availability of an application. And the last sample question is about creating a branch using a Git command. These sample questions should give you a good idea of what the actual test will look like for your candidates. And there you have it. That's a quick overview of our DevOps test. Make sure to visit this test in our test library if you want to add it to your next assessment.